Alright guys, so you're on CapCut and you're on like a video, say this one, and you want to add the Get Out sound, but you can't find it on the sound. Like watch. So if I go to audio, go to sounds, search something, and then I search Get Out. So I search it, but then it's not here. See? So it's not here. Now what I would do is I would go back here, go to templates, search up Get Out, and then I'll go here, hit save, and then it's saved, and then I go back to my edit, and then I go here, go to right here, and then I hit add overlay, and then I can hit it right here, just slide it off the screen, and then I can go like that, and then this is here, and then this is it.
What the heck?
So yeah, that's the video. Alright, bye guys. I hope you found this helpful.